Nasi murewango, atitengai, muchero, muchero.
Yes, good job. Murume wangu.
Murewango.
Anditengera muchero uyu.
Muchero uyu.
Yes,
Okay, muchero uyu.
Good job. Soon you'll be there.
Yeah.
Yeah, soon you'll be there.
So this fruit name is in Shona?
All right. The name for this fruit in Shona is called Masawu.
Masawu.
Yes,
All right,
Masawu.
Yeah, they are nice. Some they are sour, some they are sweet.
Mamwe ano vava.
Manawe awa.
Vava. Yes, mamwe ano tapira.
Ane tapuviva.
Tapira sweet, yes.
All right, tapira.
So yeah, I think I saw a comment. Someone was saying, we want to hear Pastor Cowton speaking your language, Urdu.
All right.
So how do I say in Urdu? I bought this fruit for my wife.
All right. This fruit we also have in Pakistan. It's called bear. So you say, मैं अपनी बीवी के लिए
मैं अपना बीवी के लिए
बेर खरीद कर लाया हूँ.
बेर खरीद
कर लाया
हूँ.
मैं अपनी बीवी के लिए
मैं अपना बीवी के लिए है. बीवी, my wife, right?
Yes, बीवी के लिए बेर खरीद कर लाया हूँ.
बेर खरीद
कर लाया हूँ. Yeah, good job. कर no. खरीद कर लाया
खरीद
कर लाया हूँ. Yeah, soon you will be there.
All right. You see, guys, these languages are not easy. So we kindly ask you to follow to our Facebook page and to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Please don't forget to follow us and subscribe to our YouTube page. God bless you. Thank you so much.
Amen.